All right, my friends, John G, Modern Design Aquascaping. Our team builds custom ponds, fountains, and waterfalls out of natural stone and wood. My goal, educate and inspire the world about ponds and water features. Guys, without further ado, join our team as they wrap up this amazing recreation pond project that you've been following in Knoxville, Tennessee. The team is killing it out there while I'm killing it out here. Guys, the sunken patio, the fire boulder, the underwater lights, the massive rocks, big machines. Stay tuned for Tristan and the crew knocking this one out of the park.
Guys, this has been one for the books. Most of the time you would think these projects go perfectly smooth, nothing goes wrong, everything plays out just the way that it was meant to. We get done perfectly the day and the time that we said we were going to in the beginning, but so many things have happened over the course of this project to slow us down. We'll take it back to the beginning. We had Wittstock coming in town. If you don't know Greg Wittstock, he's the pond guy, the founder of Aquascapes, and he is the one who pretty much nurtured us into what we do. He came down to do a vlog of our project, so we had to go around and prep like 7 different water features and make them look perfect and check out the landscape and pull weeds, mulch, whatever needed to be done. We had to get them ready so that they were worthy of being photoshopped at the given time. Here we are in the second half of the project. Dad, Lindsay, and Hunter are up in Colorado building what I believe is in the top 3 largest ecosystem ponds ever created by man. So it's down to just me, Nick, and Cody. The weather has been an ungodly amount of rain that we have seen here in East Tennessee over the course of the last 5 weeks. This place has been mud, washout all the time, machines sliding down the hill into trees. It has made this project take so much longer. And then on top of all that, I got married in the middle of this project and we took 4 days off. So there's that too. So know that when you're doing a project, especially in a larger magnitude that's gonna take this amount of time, things are going to go catastrophically wrong. And it is up to you. Put the smile on, know that that's gonna happen. When you're out here, you're doing your thing, you better be in your zone or you won't be delivering what you should be delivering. So I'm gonna get to delivering.
To win your way up to Harris, or you can get tickets now at one of.
Oh my gosh, this is so hot out here. I'm a drink. Oh, so we've got it figured out, guys. We've got our chairs in the chair area. They have finally arrived. We've got this beautiful cooler table right in here. The only thing we're missing is gas. We're waiting the gas line. It's going in soon. We're gonna get that guy run. We're ready to do all of our retention. We've got our topsoil already staged, ready to go. That is the only thing holding us back. We need more water, more sleep. I'm leaving. We'll catch you guys soon. We'll see you. Don't worry. We got stuck.
You got this, baby.
That's the man right there. What's going on, Pippy? This is Pippy. Pippy was not part of any of these issues. It's just Pippy. Yeah, so we're pretty much just trying to get as much of the boulder work done as humanly possible because these machines are expensive to have here. So we're trying to get all the boulder work out of the way as quickly as possible, start working our way down, and also leave access for our smaller machines so that we can get those guys up here, do all the finish work and the patio. So that is what we're on right now. Retention, get the boulders done, out of here, machines gone, so that we can have a leisurely time, work maybe 10, 15 hours a week after that because we don't have machine rentals out here, and just take our bittersweet time time, you know, get this thing up and running, hang out in the patio area, and we'll be off to the races in a matter of about 10 weeks. Catch you guys later. So I just wanted to share with you some random little things that we try to keep eyes out for. So I know that we don't do land plants, but we want to make sure that we do a great job of trying to help the people who are going to do the land plants have some cool ideas in different spots. So not only have we brought in the 75 yards of topsoil to aid with their land planting abilities, but we've created so many different little pockets and spots. And by doing this, we've got our sun coming up from that way direction. As you can see, it is blinding me as we speak. Rises straight overhead with summer, a little lower, but we have this guy cantilevered out over and created this nice little topsoil planting spot with an overhang so that you can plant ferns right under there, creeping out from under, going to your walkway that leads to your steppers going across. And we have done this in multiple different spots over the course of this. We got another one right behind the patio. Having those, creating these scenarios where you can provide some shade just with the stone structure alone can create a shady spot that is good enough for you to be able to plant majority of the ferns that aren't sun-loving little creatures in a spot that does get full sun almost all day long. So take that one with you guys. Enjoy your ferns. I know I'm enjoying mine. Whenever they plant them, I'm gonna spray paint the word fern on the dirt right there so they know. All right, so I wanted to talk to you guys just a little bit about what we've got going on here. So generally when we've got our patios, as you guys have seen from the Oasis projects, and if you haven't, go back, please watch those videos. But what we have up here that is different is usually, like you saw on Dad's, we cut these patio stones to fit perfectly flush. Every little paver, every little mountain stone that is on the side, we mark these guys to fit like a glove against them. And if this were right up against the water feature, we would do that. So that is the difference. That's the one that's setting the spot apart just a little bit, but it is a journey to get here. You go across the stepping stones, through the pond, up the winding stairs, and you land on this patio that's elevated, but you are separated from the feature a bit. Yes, you can see it, but what we wanted to make sure of on this one, we've got a nice a natural edge all the way around this thing, and we left room for topsoil plantings because from the house, this is the backdrop of the water feature. You've got the trees and stuff that are in the background, and then you have your sitting areas, you're all up in here, but behind you, you have all of these spots that are prepped and ready for plants. You could do flowers, you could do little ground covers, sedums. Make sure when you're doing something like this, try and think of these things, because yes, it would look great if it were cut to fit right along these things, but trying to break up the mountain of stone that we have brought to this place is only doable if you leave yourself spots for those plantings. So I'm done for now. On to the next one. Plumbing's messed up. Beating up my rocks. Quit beating up my rocks. You push him out, you got a piece of wood next to you, Tristan. Yeah.
He came in from that side. He's a lot longer than he looks.
I'll push him out this way.
Because I walked past it to get that pipe, like ran past him, grabbed the pipe and was walking back and was beside him and looked down and I was, what is it? What's his snake?
It's not a good place to be.
Great.
Okay, baby.
It's so pretty.
Relax.
Oh, beautiful.
Relax. It's so sweet.
Good, Holmes.
Nice. Getting there. Almost. Usually it takes.
All right, guys, so we want to just take a second to share with you the stage we're at in this. So we've got our aqua blocks in, we've got the vault in, everything is backfilled pretty much. We got a little more gravel we got to put on the outside, but I stress this on a lot of our videos. And one thing you want to make sure you do is as soon as you get those aqua blocks in there, in the event rain is in the forecast at all, is get this thing filling, because the liner does make it act like a boat. It will float and you will have to redo all of it. So that's the stage we're at right now, is getting the rest of the gravel in, filling up the actual reservoir so that the water is ready to go, and we are ready to plumb our way out and get our boulders set at lunchtime, doing it the Aquascape's way, filling by lunchtime. So that's what we've got. Game on. We'll be back. piece goes over the fence. Hits a car on the windshield. There's been many things over the course of this project, mainly in the backyard, that have just been one thing after another. And up here, it was absolute dream. Nice soil, nice digging, nice boulders, great day, beautiful weather. The complete opposite, given it has been only one day. So this custom core drilled limestone boulder here that we made at our shop, this thing turned out great. It did turn out to be aesthetically pleasing, which is great because it is the first thing you see when you walk around to the front door of this house, and it has just went great. So you guys check this thing out. I'm gonna quit flapping. Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and we shall return with more awesome things. Out.
Yeah.